All right, good morning, kindergarten. It is calendar/morning meeting time. So last time we had school was Friday, and Friday the 4th, right? So what comes after 4, which was Saturday, was 5, right? So Saturday was February, which is the month we're still in. Good job. February 5th was Saturday. What comes after 5 is 6. So that was Sunday, which was yesterday. February 6th was yesterday, and so what comes after 6 for today? Today is the 7th. Good. So we are February 7th. Wow, 1 week, one whole week of February. All right, so last time we met, it was a Friday, so that means let's change our calendar at the bottom. Today is Monday. Good job. That means yesterday was Sunday, and that means tomorrow, if today is Monday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Good job, Tuesday. All right, good. Let's move on to, if someone asks you, you say, today's date is February 7th, 2022. Good. All right, last time we were at school it was 93 days, so today is 94. Good, 94 whole days of school. We are so close to 100. All right, looking at this, we have how many tens in the tens place? We have 9, right? Group 5 plus 4 more still equals 9. And our ones place keeps changing up until we get a whole 10, right? So we're at 4. So we need to have how many ones in our one spot? 4. Good job. So I'm going to 2 and 2 beside each other. So I can see that is a quick group of 4. Good. Next, what do I need to change on here? That's right. I need to change the 3. What else? Can I just add any number I want and make? Nope. I need to add a 4 and I put it in the 10 spot, right? So I make, what number is this? Oh, I did make a mistake. That's 40, isn't it? I have to go in the ones place. Yep, and now that makes how many? 94. Good job, 94. Oh, so I need to grab a circle and circle up to 94. We almost have a group 5, don't we? We'll almost have group 5 because they split this into 5 and 5, which equals a whole strip of 10. All right, so let's count by tens. Yes. So let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, freeze! 91, 92, 93, 94. Good job. All right, so you do have art today. So art will be live with Mr. Cantor, so make sure you have materials you need every time that you go to art. So you need something to color or draw with, paper. And you can click on this link to go to art, or you can go to all your Google Classrooms and go to art at 8:45. All right, have a good day.